Good morning, welcome to EduSat Network. Friend, today we have discussion on advertising campaign. Firstly, we will try to understand what is the meaning of advertising and campaign, and then we will try to understand the basis and what creativity roles in advertising campaign. And for discussion on this very topic, we have in a studio very eminent faculty, Dr. Bandana Pandey. She is presently professor and chairperson of Department of Advertising Management and Public Relations in Guru Jambeswar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, and she holds 30 years of experience of teaching and been involved in various activities and written 2 books. One is very popular on in advertising ethics and law, a rare book. People write on law and ethics. So, and very short in the University Education of Advertisement and Public Relation. And the other book is Visheshikrit Jan Sampark. And apart from this, Dr. Pandey also been awarded this year for one of the national channel of the country, Best Professor Award in Teaching of Advertisement and Public Relation. And the other award is Rashtriya Award. The second is Baba Sahab Bhimrao Ambedkar Fellowship Award. There are many awards, so we are not going to tell you all the awards, but these few awards recently she has got, and a number of students has got PhD under her guidance, and presently also many students are enrolled and getting guidance under her. And she's also been regularly presenting paper in national and international forum, and presented a number of paper in national and international journal of reports. So I think her knowledge and experience will help us to understand this topic, advertising campaign, and will give insight and also will guide how to study and how to take up the advertising campaign in a new way. So on your behalf, I welcome her for EduSat lecture on this very topic, advertising campaign. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Now today I would like to start my topic, that is advertising campaign, and with the introduction of advertising campaign. So let us start. What is advertising campaign? So advertising campaign is a communication arm, and when we start to do the campaign for advertising, which point we should keep in mind? The first thing is the basis of campaign, which kind of platform we have to prepare for the advertising campaign. So advertising campaign, the basis of advertising campaign is the geographical spread of campaign, or next is a pioneering campaign introduced new products, and another is a competitive campaigns. Competitive campaigns emphasize competitiveness, superiority to retain the present market, and another is a campaigns can be classified in the terms of media, that is direct mail campaign, newspaper campaigns, and just like TV campaigns, etc., etc. Next step for the advertising campaign is the creativity in campaign, because advertising is a subject of creativity. Without creativity, advertising cannot be succeed. So when we are going to start the campaign, definitely we must be careful about the creativity corner of the advertising or creativity aspect of the advertising. So creativity in campaign, the basic creativity campaign involved is the discovery of what is variously called, that is the sales promotion, and the next is the purchase proposition, and the other is the copy platform, and the last is the campaign theme. So these are the point when a campaigner start the campaign for advertising, he or she should keep in mind. Another aspect of the campaign is the campaign outline. next is so the main is which kind of outline campaigner should start with the creativity. So when campaign outline start to work, when campaigners start to work with the campaign outline, there is a structure to start the campaign outline. So the first is the campaign outline, and the second is a J. Walter Thompson, a very renowned expert of advertising, has just like described the outlines of the campaign and the guidelines for the campaign. The first thing is that what are we? First is what are we? Next is when we discuss about the what are we should keep in mind that develop a situation analysis about the advertising campaign. Another is just like why are we there to do advertising campaign. When we start to do the why are there, definitely we should identify the problem. We should identify the problem. Another is there is an important thing, that is where could we do? Where could we do? When we start to analyze the where could we do, we should be alert about the identify the opportunities. Identify the opportunities. Another is how could we get there? Why could we? How could we get there? Then when we are coming on the topic or point to do the how could we get there, definitely campaigner has to do or has to develop a masses media marketing communication strategies and tactics. So and just like the last point is that the are we getting there? Are we able to find out all these situation to solve the just like a situation? So when we are going to these things, the next step will be start, that will be what is advertising campaign. Now we have to come on the topic that the what is advertising campaign. When we discuss what is advertising campaign, so definitely the first thing, the term campaign just like a literally associated with a series of action and systematic effort for achieving the goals. This is the first thing. And to analyze or to define the advertising campaign, the most popular of the modern applications is the election campaign, and it is a unit of product. It is a unit of product or a kind of policies, programs, services. These are services, and it is a just like a information distributed to the accomplish a set of communication objectives. The advertising campaign plan lay down the alternatives strategy involving advertising masses, activities, and the media. The size and depth of the exposure, just like it is a kind of the plan and the strategy of the advertising campaign. Financial implication and the scope of evaluation of results are also outlined in advertising campaign. Now come on the next topic, which next step of the advertising campaign is the steps for campaign planning. Steps for campaign planning is the analyzing. The first step of advertising campaign is to identify or analyze the places and public and the market analysis. Advertising campaigner has to determine the first of all advertising objectives. The second is the developing advertising campaign budget and controls, coordination with other promotional methods, and evaluation of results. These are important aspects to analyze and the just like steps involved in advertising campaign. The another steps of the advertising campaign is analyzing the market and just like a market segmentation. The point when advertisers start the campaign for advertising is the knowledge of the present market, place of and situation. Next is a competitive forces, which kind of competitive forces are running and just like are existing in the marketplace. Another is a legal constraints, and last is a target group, place or public. Campaigner has to identify the nature, the mood, the tendency of the just like a target group or a public. That is very important aspect for any advertising campaign. The next step for advertising campaign is to just like which kind of problems advertiser has to find out, or advertising campaigner has to sort out. Two important questions should be continuously keep in mind in the just like in the mind of the advertiser. First is where are we now, why we are doing this advertising campaign, and where we want to be. It means advertiser has or just like campaigner has to be very much clear that the which kind of target he has to achieved. That is very important thing. So these questions, the campaigner has to answer these questions. When campaigner has ready to give this answer, then he has to work on the place and market segments. When campaigner start to study the market segments, first of all he has to select the target place which has he has to exercise the place segmentation. Special moods perceived to exist among a group or a segment of potential public help in identifying the place segments. Place, it means a marketing segment strategy. He has to build up a marketing strategy, and place segments helps in identifying the target audience. These points just like a lead to identification of present market conditions, the target market and target behavior. It is very complex to operate in rural area and urban centers. Now, campaigner has to study the target group behavior. Very important aspect of any advertising campaign. First of all, he has to answer the old versus new public. And next is a brand loyalty. Both are very important. Again, brand perception and perception about goal and benefits and attitudes. Which kind of benefits will be achieved by the particular advertising campaign. Next step of advertising campaign, and this kind of this steps needs there is a great need of the just like a motivation of public play a dominant role in planning and the creative message as selection and communication. Advertiser for the selection of the advertising communication and channels. Again, the next steps which is very much important for the advertising campaign is the appraising advertising opportunities. When advertiser start to appraise the advertising opportunity, it first of all he has to understand that what is advertising opportunities. Actually, advertising opportunity, it means it has determined whether advertising has any role to play in a specific area market situation or not. Next is, if conditions are too weak in the market segments or in market area to be favored by advertising inputs, it is better to drop the idea of a campaign and then to be disappointed. So, if there is any kind of the situation of threats or any kind of difficult situations for the advertising campaign, it is better that the advertising campaigner should drop the idea about the advertising campaign and first of all analyze and find out the just like a solution of the problems, how he has to face the challenges. Another steps which is very much important for the advertising campaign is the conditions governing opportunities for advertising, and when it includes the presence of primary concept and demand trend, which kind of trend is going on in the market. Another is it's a good chance for policy programs or products differentiation with opportunity to establish USP. USP, it means unique selling point or proposition. So, it is very important that if there is any kind of challenges are there, so advertising campaigner has to analyze, is there any scope about the to create the USP about the product or a policy or a program or a services or not. So, if the presence of hidden quality is also very much important. This kind of situation, it helps to build mental association of target group with policy products, with policies, products or program or a person. So, and next is presence of powerful just like involvement. It is very important just like a condition, a very important point for the any advertising campaign or buying motives and adequacy of fund. Fund is a backbone of any kind of advertising campaign. If campaigner are not just able to estimate or analyze the situation of funds, definitely he or she will face a lot of problem to run a good advertising campaign. Now come next step of advertising campaign. Definitely certain typical advertising situation has been identified in which advertising campaign may be required. The first is a product market, programs, policies, area variation. That is very much important situation that should be identified. The next step of advertising campaign is new area, and the next is upgrading the product and policies. Next is a special offer. Which kind of special offer for any product or a policy or program or services are providing by the providing in the advertising campaign. Special offer also very important, just like ingredients of any advertising campaign. Next, change in brand name. If there is any kind of change in brand name, definitely it should be highlighted in advertising campaign. Competition also very just like a natural phenomena of any advertising campaign. What is the situation of competitor product, or what is the market speed of the competitive product? It should be very important. It should be keep in mind in the advertising campaigner. Distribution and services point should be highlighted in advertising campaign. Institutional advertising it is also a very important element of any advertising campaign. Seasonal and occasional products, programs or policies should be highlighted. If there is any kind of provision or facility associated with the product policies and program that is seasonal, it should be highlighted in advertising campaign. Advertising campaigners should very much careful about the raising capital, because the nature of advertising is to just like a generate revenue. By nature, advertising is a kind of pure commercial work, commercial field. So definitely advertising campaigner should be always careful about that these all efforts are going to meet just like a revenue, to create USP, to increase just like a sale. So definitely advertising campaigner should be very much careful about the raising capital, that is shares, debentures, and the campaign is helpful to attract the attention of these target groups. Next situation is just like a determining advertising objectives. It means which kind of effort has to be made by the advertising campaigner. So that is when a campaigner is going to do to decide the objective for the advertising campaign, definitely the first thing is to provide communication link. It means which kind of selection of medium of communication should be taken by the advertising campaigner. Another is the how the ultimate just like how the ultimate behavior is supposed to be influenced by advertising. Next is the influence pursued and motivate the public as much as possible through the advertising campaign. Next is just like influence and persuade the consumer behavior, such as a trial purchase and trial purchase of new products, new customers, maintenance of brand loyalty of existing consumer and publics. That is very much important thing. There should be an analysis of SWOT and DAGMAR also. That is very much important. When we are going to study the SWOT and DAGMAR, first of all, it is also a kind of communication task. It involves two concepts. The first is just like a communication task, which kind of work advertiser or advertising campaigner has to do for the communication, and the next is the goal should be specific, involving and defining tasks among defined audience to in defined period. Definitely campaign is a series of action and it runs within a fixed period of time to just like establish a great effect on the consumer or on the target group. That is very much important. So the object should contain 5 basic elements. The first element is a outline of creative strategy. Outlines of creative strategy means the basic message to be delivered. The next is the target group audience. What is the nature of target group audience? What is the liking and disliking of target group audience? Just like a demographic location of the target group and the intended effect of the advertising. Or next is the frame for campaign, which kind of just like a outlook of campaign should be prepared. Next is a specific criteria to measure the effectiveness of the campaign. That is also a very important aspect. When just as we have already said that the budget is a backbone of advertising campaign or for any kind of mass media or a medium, mass media or any kind of advertising medium. So definitely when we start to discuss the budgets for advertising campaign, we have to just like establishing the budget is the very important steps in advertising campaign. Definitely it is a monetary term, and funds allocation like media cost and creative charges, activities expenditure and other operational charges should be analyzed in any advertising campaign. That is, it is very important. When we next we will move for the further step, advertising strategy should be analyzed in advertising campaign. Developing the advertising strategy, we should careful about that it is a very important aspect in campaign planning, which is just like a design the for achieving an end. It is a link between planning, or it is a link between objective and a plan. So advertising campaigner has to very much careful about the link between the advertising objectives and the plan which is going to be implemented. And it is a line of action for the campaign implementation. It is a creativity of most effective way to achieve the goal. The strategy involves two major component of advertising. First is a media strategy and the second is a creative strategy, because advertiser or advertising campaigner only or he or she can just like achieve the target of campaign only on these 2 points, that is a media strategy, another is a creative strategy. When we are going to analyze the media strategy and creative strategy, we should keep in mind that the why to advertise in terms of a campaign. The first thing is that buyers are forgetful of erratically appearing advertisements, and due to clutter of large number of advertising masses, they overlook several of them. Thus, campaign is a sustained advertising effort. Coordination, balance, timing, continuity and performance all favor of an advertising campaign. And we can say, in other words, we can say that the advertising campaign is a combination of the coordination, balance, timing, continuity and performance. So when we complete all these steps, there should be other just like a point, that is a how long should be a campaign. How long should be a campaign? Campaign are of valid length, and say a seasonal campaign of, just like an example, just like the seasonal campaign of a cough syrup or a Vicks VapoRub, it is a product, and or just like a woolen garments, or it may last the whole year, or with just before the beginning of the season of cold. If manufacturer are willing to start a campaign of products of the Vicks VapoRub or just like a kind of any winter just like dresses, definitely it should be start with the beginning of the month of September. So before the season which is going to be start very soon, it should be just like campaign should be start. The factors which affect the duration of campaign are the types of product offered, the nature of advertisers' marketing programs, seasonality of sales, media policies, and competitors' advertising. These points will help to strengthen the advertising campaign of any product. Next is campaign are governed. How campaign are governed? Any kind of campaign are governed by some parameters, and these parameters are: the first thing is the total advertising budget, the media availability, the consumer profile, the product profile, the campaign's duration, and the campaign durations and its timing, the advertising and marketing objectives, the distribution channel, the marketing elements including pressure group and competitors. A review of previous advertising promotional efforts should be just like keep in mind, definitely it should be analyzed by any advertising campaigner. The creative consideration is a core element of any advertising campaign. And the new plan, definitely the new plan should be just like analyzed or discussed in any advertising campaign. 3 phases of campaign creation should be implemented in advertising campaign. The first is a strategy involved phases. It is very much important which kind of strategy should be involved in any kind of campaign creation. The first is a campaigner has to decide the objectives and contents of communication. Next is analysis of research data and decide the positioning of a brand. What is the actual situation of the brands, where brand is existing, and what is the competitive speed of the brand in the market. Right strategy and creative campaign is a winning combination of any kind of advertising campaign. Next step of advertising campaign is advertising brief of the creative to the creatives. The client has to brief the agency about how to create the advertisement. First of all, advertiser or a campaigner has to brief or just like inform the accounts or clients about the planning of campaign of a product or a policies. When advertiser brief the creative aspect about the product or policies to the clients, definitely the whole aspect of the any kind of campaign should be analyzed properly. Which kind of medium is going to be selected, what is the message, which kind of creative elements has been just like given in the message, which kind of change has to be given in the advertising campaign, what was the previous campaign, and what is the strength, what is the attributes of running campaign which is going to be launched or which is going to be started for the product. That is also very important. So creative aspect should be analyzed very well in front of the advertising, in front of the clients or in front of the just like accounts. Success or failure of the advertisement is largely dictated by the in brief. It means when we are going to study, when we are going to start an advertising campaign, strength, weakness, or just like challenges, these all aspects and SWOT, strength, weakness, threats and challenges, that should be discussed in advance in front of the clients. Each and everything should be transparent in front of the clients. Clients should be aware about the whole steps of advertising campaign. Definitely it is a series of action. So same message, same visuals is going to be delivered, telecast, printed at for a fixed time of period continuously. So manufacturer or a client should be aware that which kind of message, which kind of visuals is going, and what will be the impact of this kind of message in the mind of the consumer, in the mind of the just like a target group. It must be very much clear, or the effort is just like a made to establish maximum effect about the product. We should very much clear about that, and the campaigner should be aware that the product is a hero on the screen. So our campaigner has to do each and every work for the development, for the just like creating the image of the product in the mind of the consumer. So any kind of just like a effective campaign, it is very much important that there should be a well planned, it should be well planned, and the execution should be effectively. And for the effective execution of the programs or a campaign, a well researched program is an essential element of campaign. If planner or advertising campaigner are not ready to study the nature of the market or the mood of the consumer, or the just like a liking and disliking of the consumer, which kind of trend is going on in the market, what is the position of the competitor or competitive products, and which kind of strategy competitive products are adopting, which kind of strategy, how product will stand in the market, which kind of creative changes is required for the product. These all aspects should be just like analyzed or researched in for the advertising campaign. Media relation is very important part of advertising campaign. Definitely mass media is a kind of just like a combination or a collection of the medium for the advertising. So when we are going to start, or we are going to just like speed up any kind of advertising campaign, media relation is very important for the good coverage, for the proper highlight, or for the proper space in the media, maximum number of mass media, kind of the which kind of space advertising campaign is going to take place in print media, which kind of time is going to take for the air of any kind of commercials in television, which kind of just like a size and the length of the advertising, the same message, same slogans, same visuals for the outdoor media. Outdoor media, it means posters, banners, hoardings, and even for the transit media, the same message, same slogans, same visuals, that is very much important to display on the transit media, because it is also a very effective medium. And the new media, very important media, that is very much important for any kind of advertising campaign. Nowadays it is very much popular media. So when we are going to study and to select the media relation, definitely the effort should be made to manage the media relations also. And the things which where the campaigner has to remember is that the confidence. Confidence is a very important element for any kind of advertising campaign, because campaigner has to face a different kind of challenges, various kind of threats, different kind of just like a limitations, budgetary limitations, and field difficulties, and a kind of competitors, just like a competitors forces, competitive forces are there. So these all things should be keep in mind when we are running, or when anybody is running the advertising campaign, or going to start any kind of advertising campaign. So confidence can face, through the confidence any advertising campaigner can face, or can win, or can just like succeed the advertising campaign. And another is sense of responsibilities. If advertising campaigner has a lack of any kind of sense of responsibility, definitely it will be very difficult to run advertising campaign. Or not only advertising campaign, any kind of work is difficult without the lacks of confidence. So it is very much important that when we are going to run any kind of advertising campaign, we should keep in mind that the creative strategy, media strategy, budgetary aspect, and the post or post testing and pre-testing, it is also very much important. Pre-testing, it is a previous research to start an advertising campaign. When advertising campaigner goes in the field, just like advertising campaigner goes in the field and study the whole market situation or the field where the campaign should be launched, definitely he should study the whole situation. That is a pre-testing. When the plan will be implemented in a brief to just previously and before launching a campaign. So after just like launching the campaign, or after running a campaign, advertising campaigner has to evaluate the whole situation. That is a evaluation process, and a pre-testing and a post-testing. So post-testing, when campaigner finish the campaign, so then campaigner has to analyze that which kind of difficulties was there, and how it was, if just like it just affected the just successness of the advertising campaign. So definitely it should be analyzed that the SWOT is an important aspect to analyze the post testing. So post testing, when we are going to do the post testing, what was the strength that will help to make a further plan for the product or a policies or a program, which kind of weakness was there, which kinds of challenges were there, which kind of difficulties campaigner has faced. That is also very much important. And opportunities, so it means which kind of opportunities a particular campaign will provide. Is it just like effective? Will it create just like create a positive atmosphere to sell the product, or to popularize the company, or to create the brand image? That is very much important aspect. So pre-testing and post-testing is very important part of the any advertising campaign. So campaign is a definitely very important aspects. There are two type of concept. It's a regular programming, that is an advertising which is continuously going on the various mass media, and there is a special effort when manufacturer tries to just like make a good atmosphere to just grab the attention of the consumer. Manufacturer tries to hire the advertising agency for any kind of advertising campaign. Definitely campaign is a kind, it works on the bullet theory of the mass communication. Bullet theory, it means just like it's a kind of the regular and a continuous flow, or the just like a bombarding of the masses on the in the mind of the consumer. So consumer just like in this situation, consumer feel involved with the product or policies and the program, and the masses or attract with the masses. So definitely creativity is just like a core value of any advertising campaign, because it is time bound, it is result oriented, it should be result oriented. And when researcher decide to analyze the post work of the research advertising campaign, definitely he tries to analyze the desired result. He or she was able to get the desired result or no. So last is a race model should be keep in mind when we do the research or do the advertising campaign. What is race model? And it is just like a outlook or just like a frame of any advertising campaign. The first is a R stand for research, A stand for action, C stand for communication, and E stand for evaluation. So good research can provide a good action work, and through the good action work, a good communication program will be implemented, and through the implementation of good program, definitely campaigner will able to evaluate your his or her advertising campaign. Or this is the basic concept of advertising campaign that will help to create the USP for a product, policies, programs, and definitely we should keep in mind that it is a series of action when the masses will be delivered purposefully, and that is a time bound and a result oriented. Thank you.
Ma'am, you well explained with examples, so I think the things are clear. But one thing I'd like to ask you, many times we find that despite the good advertising campaign, a lot of activities go and properly and effectively it is designed and put into the different channel of media, but still they fail to make a chord with the viewers, or you can say the target or target person where we want to hit. Why it is so?
Actually, there are a lot of causes which just like create this kind of situation. The first thing is that there is a lack of creativity. If they are not able to just like attract the person, and there is kind of a just like they are not able to understand the mood of the consumers or a kind of a target group. And it is quite difficult and complex also, because it is very much difficult that the masses is going through mass media. Simultaneously there are a different kind of viewers are there. They are just like a heterogeneous group, homogeneous group, and the just like variation of age also.
So you suggest the whole strategy should be made only after assessing the mood and the different target groups.
Yes,
putting
assessing
together
the mood and the liking, disliking, trends also very much important aspect of the advertising campaign. How much just like if advertiser is very much careful about the slice of life, very much careful about to just like be familiar. So that will be.
So don't impose.
Yes, don't impose, don't exaggerate. That will be just like create just like lose the credibility in the mind of the consumer.
So well friends, with this word we conclude the lecture. I thank all of you for watching the lecture. On your behalf, I thank Dr. Vandana Pandey for giving such an insightful lecture. Thank you very much.